Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Olivia. Happy birthday to you. La, 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 la. Oh, Olivia, it's your birthday today, so let's learn what birthday means in German. Birthday means Geburtstag. Geburtstag. And happy birthday means herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. And Olivia, what's your favorite? A cake. And cake is Kuchen. Kuchen. Olivia, this is a balloon, and in German you call it ein Ballon or Luftballon.